a list of 30 under 30 for the third edition of Festival of Wellbeing powered by Amul. How does it feel to win this award?
I'm super excited and proud actually. This is one of my first awards, and I'm so thankful for BW to host this.
Amazing. Tell us about how did you start Rus Luxury Oils and how is your journey going?
So, like I mentioned, whilst we got the award, RAS is born from Raipur. It's a farm to face brand. So, we were into manufacturing of essential oils, and then we went into research of ingredients and skincare. So, for the past 6 years, we've been building some great products, and now we finally have a lineup of over 85 SKUs. Um, we were only on our own website. Now we're in over 3-4 portals like Nykaa, Amazon. We're also on Amazon US. We also have our own store now and plans of opening many more this year. So the growth journey has actually been very, very great and super excited and looking forward to many more heights for the brand in the future.
Uh, we know that there are many competitors in this area. What differentiation does your company brings?
So RAS is a vertically integrated company, right from growing the ingredients to research to formulation, as well as manufacturing is done at our own facility in Raipur. So we have complete ownership over the entire process. So we can give the customers the efficacy that we want, the quality that we want. And really, I feel like in this space, people are looking for something safe as well as efficacious at the same time because they want effectivity for their skincare products. So I think with RAS, we are able to bridge that gap where there's natural and efficacy together.
Great. Lastly, tell us about the future of Rust Luxury Oils.
So RAS is obviously in its very nascent stages. I feel like we have a lot to do. We have opened one retail store. We have a lot of retail stores in plan. We have a lot of stores that we are going to open up throughout the country. We have a lot of geographies that we're going to target, like Dubai, US, as well as European countries, as well as launch new products with some great research that's already ongoing in our R&D labs. So I think that's some of our short-term and mid-term goals for the brand.
Great, great. So, Ramya, thank you for your time. Congratulations and all the best for your future endeavors.
you.
Thank you.